Okay, girls, this one is 5 inbound play. Now this is again another box set. And we have a lot of these because again it's hard to scout. So when 1 gets the ball, she's going to slap it, and then 2 is going to come to the corner, 3 is going to come to the corner. Again, we're just kind of getting them out of the way. 4 and 5, in reality we're probably going to want to switch this to where, and you'll see me do this in a second in my drawing. I just forgot to do a video or an audio recording. But we'll probably have 4 over here and 5 over here. It doesn't really matter, but when 1 slaps the ball, they're going to come high. 1's going to lob the ball over the top, and 4 is going to catch it. And then you see that I just changed my mind. So 5 is going to come to the ball side, throw it over the top to 5. 5 catches it. 4 is going to be here as well. And then as soon as 5 catches the ball, 4 is going to make a quick back cut. And 5 is going to look to make this little bounce pass or lob pass to 4 for a layup. Now, if that doesn't pan out, 2 can just come over the top, and 5 can pass the ball to 2, and then we'll just get into our offense. But it's just another good option for us in case we have a little bit more of a height advantage over the team we're playing against.